If you are looking to fix this problem on your Reddit, I will show you in this video. Just follow me till the end. First, you don't need to open your Reddit. You will just come directly and open your settings of your phone. Then what you should do, you have to come directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, guys, you have to come and search for Reddit. Then when you find Reddit, open it like I'm doing and scroll until you found storage. But be careful here, don't click on clear data, click on clear cache. Also, just click on clear cache, but don't click on clear data. Go back, click on force stopping, click OK. And now you have to come to your battery, make sure that it's on optimized mode, then go back. And what's next, go to set as a default and make sure that open supported links it's opening. And right now come back to your Play Store, update your Reddit on the last version, then go and restart your phone. After this your problem will be solved. I hope this video is useful for you. Please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing our channel. See you in another video.